Hey Bazaar Marketers, it's Tim Summers, and in today's video I'm going to show you a relatively new feature that's called a LinkedIn cover story, where you can add a little 30-second video to your profile picture on LinkedIn. So this is a great feature where you can do a 30-second little video clip, introduce you to potential clients, tell them how you can solve their problems, and insert a call to action in 30 seconds. This is a great way for clients to get to know you and like you and trust you and see you for just a little quick little snippet on your profile. So once you upload your cover story, you'll be able to see an orange circle around your profile picture, both on desktop and mobile, and that's how other people will know that you have one. And another important factor is you can't go look on somebody else's profile and see their cover story video unless you've actually added one yourself to yours. So you won't be able to see anybody's orange circle or their video unless you have it yourself. And a final thing to keep in mind before we jump on and show you how to do this is that you can only upload it from your phone. That's why I've got my phone here on the screen, so I'm going to show you real quick. But once you upload on your phone, you'll be able to see it on desktop, on your own profile, and on your phone, your own profile, and then you'll be able to view other people that have it if you see the orange circle. So let's jump in here. I'm going to grab my phone real quick. So what you want to do is you're going to hit the little plus sign there next to your image on your profile picture, and then you'll see down there at the bottom it says add cover story, introduce yourself with a 30-second video. So you're going to hit that.
It's Tim Summers here from Bazaar Marketing.
So once you do that, then you go to your phone videos and you pull up the video that you shot, and you can actually shoot it right there live as well instead of going and doing a pre-recorded one. I suggest doing a pre-recorded one because then you can edit it, make sure it's good, and then upload it from there. So do that, you upload it, and then you can
specialize in social media marketing and printing your logo on over 1 million promotional products.
So then you can preview it. If everything looks good, then you can hit that little blue arrow there, and then you can resize it in there. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger to fill the space and center it. I think that looks good. And then at the bottom down there, you'll say it says add to profile. You just hit that, and it's going to take a second or two to upload. You can see it says cover story preview may take a few minutes to appear. And you can see already that the orange circle has shown up there on my phone. Let me refresh the desktop here, and you can see the circles there. So now if somebody comes to my profile, they see that little 3-second snippet there, and same with your phone. You can, let me just refresh it there. So if someone goes to your profile on a phone, they see that little 3-second snippet and they're like, oh, what is that? So then you can just go on here and click on here. Well, it's hard to view your own, but view or edit the cover story. It looks a little different if you're looking at somebody else's, but you can kind of see there.
Bazaar Marketing, where we specialize in social media marketing and printing your logo on over 1 million promotional products. I'd love to connect with you today here on LinkedIn and learn about your business and see how we can help grow it. Thanks so much. Have a great rest of the day.
So you can just see that is like so powerful. It's like you're not too salesy. I'm gonna tell you what I do really quick and tell you how we can help you, and a little call to action, and we'd like to connect with you. So it's pretty powerful, and I'm excited to start going around and looking at other people's, if people have gotten theirs up and running. So let me know what you think. Try it out. Definitely come and check mine out. Send me a link to yours and I'll look at yours as well. This is Tim from Bazaar Marketing. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and we'll talk to you soon.